we need a breadboard. Also need 7 IC, 7404 which is NOT gate IC, 7408 which is AND gate IC, 7400 which is NAND gate IC, 7432 which is OR gate IC, 7402 which is NOR gate IC, 7486 which is XOR IC, 7466 which is XNOR IC. We need all 7 IC. So this is the IC pin diagram and truth table. Also we need 2 red LED and a blue LED, 2 push button, now connect the 7404 which is NOT gate IC in the breadboard, and pin number 7 is connecting in the negative rail of the breadboard, and 14 number pin is connected with a positive rail of the breadboard which is VCC pin, and a push button is connecting in the middle part of the breadboard, other push button is connecting in the breadboard, and positive terminal of the LED is connecting in the positive rail of the breadboard, and opposite side is connecting in push button, and opposite side of the push button is connected with a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and that resistor is connecting in the negative rail of the breadboard. Now a positive terminal of the LED is connecting in the breadboard, and pin number 2 which is output pin of the NOT gate is connecting with the LED. Now ground the LED with 1 kilo ohm resistor, and one push button is connecting with pin number 1 of the IC. Now connecting power in the circuit. In input 0 the output is 1. When the input is 1 the output is 0. So the NOT gate IC is verified. Now disconnect the power and carefully open the NOT gate IC. The circuit diagram is almost same. Now connect the 7408 IC which is AND gate IC in the breadboard in same connection, and change the output pin. Now the output pin is 3, and other push button is connecting in pin number 2 of the IC. Now connecting power in the circuit. When both of the input is 0, the output is 0. In 1 0, the output is 0. In 0 1, the output is still 0. In 1 1 input, the output is 1. So the AND gate IC is verified. Now disconnect the power and open the AND gate IC. Now connect 7400 IC which is NAND gate IC in the breadboard. Also connect power in the circuit. Here we can see when both of the input is 0, the output is 1. In 1 0, the output is still 1. In 0 1, the output is still 1. When both of the input is 1, the output is 0. Now you can see the NAND gate IC truth table is verified. Now disconnect the NAND gate IC and put 7432 IC which is OR gate IC. When the both of the input is 0, the output is 0. In 1 0, the output is 1. In 0 1, the output is 1. When both of the input is 1, the output is still 1. Now the OR gate IC is verified, and open the OR gate IC and connect 7402 IC which is NOR gate IC, and change the output pin in pin 1, and pin 2 and pin 3 is a input pin. And connect power in the circuit. Here we can see when both of the input is 0, the output is 1. In 1 0 the output is 0. In 0 1 the output is 0. When both of the input is 1, the output is 0. Now the NOR gate IC truth table is verified. Disconnect the power and open the IC and connect 7486 IC, which is XNOR IC. Now connect the output pin in pin 3, and pin number 1 and pin number 2 is the input pin. Connect push button, both of the push button in pin 1 and pin 2. Here we can see when both of the input is 0, the output is 0. In 1 0 the output is 1. In 0 1 the output is 1. When both of the input is 1, the output is 0. Now the XOR gate IC is verified. Open the XOR gate and put 7466 IC, which is XNOR IC, and connect power in the circuit. When both of the input is 0, the output is 1. In 1 0 the output is 0. In 0 1 the output is 0. When both of the input is 1, the output is still 1. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.